Here's your market in a minute for Fenton, Michigan. Right now, Fenton has about 2.93 months of inventory. This means it is a seller's market and sellers have the upper hand. So if you're selling, it's a great time to list your home. There has been a 17% increase in inventory over the past month, but a slight 1% drop when we look at the whole year. While more homes are hitting the market recently, overall supply is still pretty tight. If you're looking to buy, options might still be limited. Homes are selling just over asking price. This means that sellers are often getting slightly more than they ask for. Plus, the median days on the market is only 22 days. Buyers need to be prepared and act quick when submitting an offer to purchase. The median sold price here is $405,000. This gives both buyers and sellers a good benchmark for pricing and affordability in our area. Reach out if you are in need of real estate advice for your personal information. I'm here to help.